Today I'm working on a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This one came in, it was just at another shop. They replaced the water pump because it had a low flow coolant fault that was stored, as well as also a fault for the engine temp sensor, implausible signal, or circuit high this here. These are the faults currently stored. I've seen these pretty often on these cars. Typically the symptom is your engine light will be on, of course, and also the fan will be racing when it picks up a fault with that coolant temp sensor. The fan's racing. There's not a lot of information on this, which is kind of unusual. Even in our all data and stuff like that, I can't really find much as far as labor time goes. It's not very difficult once you get the air box out of here. But the temp sensor, it would be the number one temp sensor for the engine. Coolant temp sensor is right down here. There's just one T30 torque screw that holds it in place, and then the plug here. You can sneak to it with the about maybe a 4 or 5 inch extension and a T30 1/4 inch drive bit from kind of behind this charge pipe. You can pull the charge pipe off if you want to get a little bit more room, but it's not that difficult to sneak to this thing and pull that out and replace it, and that'll take care of that problem. The other temp sensor is on the low radiator hose. That'll be temp sensor number 2 down here. That one is not causing a problem on this. It'll be a separate fault. The fault usually will have temp sensor 1 or temp sensor 2 indication on it. So that's it. Something to look for. Thanks for watching.